All right, now let's get the word from the streets over to Mr. Drummond.
Thanks, Mark. Peel Region Police dealing with a tragic accident tonight. It happened on Highway 10 just south of Steeles. One person died in the crash. 3 are in hospital. The Pontiac Bonneville was southbound on Highway 10 when it went off the roadway and slammed into a light standard. All 4 victims were trapped in the vehicle. It took Brampton firefighters about an hour and a half to extricate them. 1 woman was pronounced dead at the scene. The other 3 did not suffer life-threatening injuries. Police are not sure what caused the vehicle to go off the roadway. If you were in the area around 3:30 this afternoon and can help, give them a call at 453-3311. And a quick look at the eyes now. We'll jump on the MTO, take a look at the 401 eastbound. Express lanes are closed from Allen all the way over to the Parkway. You can see the backup. There has been slow since they closed it off at 9 o'clock tonight. It's scheduled to reopen at 6 a.m. Crews are usually finished well before that. And we've had several calls from people right here in the Hyde Park area who said they felt an earth tremor tonight. We put in a call to the earth watchers in Ottawa. They're saying no problems tonight, but there may be more tomorrow. Mark.